Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove hair tinsel. I have a popular video tutorial that demonstrates my technique for tying tinsel into the hair. With that technique, the tinsel is super sturdy and won't slide around on you. So today I'll show you how to intentionally remove it when the time comes. This is my mom, Trudy, and she gets new tinsel in her bangs every month to match some sort of theme or holiday. So your strand of tinsel should be tied to just a couple of hairs. You want to grab the tinsel and separate it from the hair. I find it easiest to use my fingers to lift the tinsel up and then use my other hand to pull the hairs from my fingers and out of the way. And once you've isolated just the tinsel, you should be able to see that knot you tied to attach it into the hair. Then you want to use one hand to grab the hairs the tinsel is tied to close to the scalp so that you don't tug on them, and use your other hand to grab the knot with your fingers and simply slide it right out of the hair. There should be no harm done and no natural hairs ripping out. And you just continue this with all of the strands you want to remove. Like I said, I've been doing this for my mom every month for years, and she usually has almost all of her tinsel strands remaining from a month ago when it comes time to remove it. She has even had it last 2 months before removing it. She's really careful when washing and combing her hair and avoids snagging those knots at the roots, but this tying technique is very sturdy and she never has issues with them falling out prematurely. And that's it! She's ready for this month's rainbow tinsel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later!